Something that I use every day is my Keurig coffee machine. This machine has kept me awake during lectures or at work, and it's honestly probably saved my GPA. The thing is, what a lot of people don't realize is that it basically works like a computer program. First, let's go over how the machine works. It first makes sure it has water, boils the water, then makes sure it has the little coffee pod, and that the lid is closed. And it'll finally brew your coffee. So let's see how this works in code. Let's look at the variables and data types that we see. We create the variables has water, has pod, and lid closed, and we set the data type to bool, as this will set our variable as true or false. For example, if the machine does not have water, the variable will be set as false. Lastly, we have our cup size with the data type of integer, as cup sizes are entered in whole numbers like 6 ounces, 8 ounces, and 12 ounces. Next, we can see Boolean expressions in the Keurig machine. For the Boolean variables we created, our program will check if each variable is true or false, and we will use the operator of double and to make it so that each condition is met for the machine to run. We also create a Boolean expression for the different cup sizes entered, and we use the operator double vertical lines to make it so that if either cup size is entered, the machine will run. We then use branching through if-else and switch statements in the machine. For if-else statements, we have it so that if a certain condition is missing, the machine will output how to fix the missing condition. For example, if the machine is missing water, then it will output to add water. And if all conditions are met, then it will start our brewing function. We then use a switch statement for our cup sizes, so that for each cup size entered, our machine knows how long it needs to brew for. For example, if 6 ounces is entered, then our machine will brew for 30 seconds. Next, we use loops in our program to display the brewing time. As you can see, we use a for loop and set the starting number as our brew time. We then create the condition so that it ends at 0, and use the update double or I double negative so that it counts down. Lastly, we output the brew time on the machine with the cout statement. For functions, we create functions for each of the steps. We create a bool function for each of the conditions of the machine. We create a integer function to calculate the brew time for each of the chosen cups, size of cups. And lastly, we create a function that simulates the brewing process, which will include void, as it will not return anything. Once this is all done, you will finally have your cup of coffee to start the day.